my favorite classic song. Original by Charlie Chaplin. Yes, I heard from my mom.
Smile,
Smile,
your heart is
aching. Smile, even
though
it's breaking.
when
there are clouds
in the sky,
you get by.
if you smile through your fear and sorrow, smile, and maybe tomorrow you'll see the sun come shining through for you.
Light up your face with gladness, hide every trace of sadness. Oh, the thieves may be ever so deep. That's the time you must keep on trying. Ooh, smile. What's the use of crying? You will see that life is still worthwhile if you
Just
smile. Oh, ooh, smile. Even though life is not so smiling, try. You see life is good. Take care of yourself. Without fearing, everything will be alright. Just smile. Do that. Light up your face with gladness, hide every trace of sadness. Oh, the fears may be ever so deep. That's the time you must keep on trying. What's the use of crying? You'll find
life is still worthwhile
if you
just
smile. Right?
What are you smiling at over there?
Always smile. You'll have a great day. I tell you. Just smile. Smile. Thanks, Jehovah, for everything. Thank you so much.